Someone once said that planting a garden means you believe in tomorrow. We agree. Seeing the results of your hard work and patience is one of the most rewarding feelings you could ever have. And BioGreen is here to help you experience just that again and again. As a gardener, you put a lot of love and care into your garden. Maybe it's your safe haven from your busy life. Perhaps it's a hobby that connects you to your family and friends. No matter why you garden, we're here to give you the reliable and professional tools you need to do it. BioGreen has been planting the seeds of innovation since 1984. We've given countless hobby gardeners, just like you, the chance to explore a wide range of products, get expert advice, and nurture their seedlings, garden or greenhouse, no matter the season. We're not just a team of gardeners, we're industry experts across the world who have head offices in the US and Germany. Our dedicated team has spent years perfecting our patented, German-engineered products so that we can give our global community of customers all the support they need. Visit our BioGreen website today and allow BioGreen to give you the tools, products, and amazing advice you need to help your garden thrive.